Let us talk about the story of a woman missionary in Chile. This is the story of Jenny, entitled A Dream Job. Jenny never planned to move to Chile from the United States. After she graduated from Andrews University, she volunteered for 1 year in Chile to teach English. She thought she would return to US afterward, but 5 years later, she was already teaching Bible classes at Chile Adventist University. Since childhood, Jenny had always wanted to become a missionary. While studying theology at Andrews University, one of her teachers encouraged her to join Adventist volunteer service. She found an opening on vividfaith.org, sent her resume, and was accepted quickly. She enjoyed teaching English, giving Bible studies, and making many friends. She was invited to extend her service for another year, and she agreed. In her second year, she learned and became fluent in Spanish. Jenny was hired as a bilingual assistant at the Central Chile Mission. She managed church membership records, trained secretaries, and became the local leader of Adventist volunteer service. Jenny also married a Chilean. Later, she was called by Chile Adventist University to teach Bible classes. When she became a legal resident, she joined as a full-time teacher. Now, Jenny is one of the 5 Bible teachers at the university, and many of her students are hearing about God and the Bible for the first time. About 3/4 of the 3,000 students are not Adventist. Jenny said, "I only planned to stay for 1 year, but now it has been more than 6 years. It feels like God really sent me here." She is very happy with the path God led her to through Adventist volunteer service. This quarter's 13th Sabbath offering will support 2 projects at Chile Adventist University, building an Adventist volunteer service center that will send 30 missionaries each year, with training classrooms and a 250-seat auditorium, and adding dorm rooms for 50 more students, especially Adventist theology and education students who come from faraway places. Thank you for your generous support.